guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello and welcome if you are new and you're joining me for the first time. My name's Tara and I do makeup tutorials and collaborations and things like that here on my channel. So if that tickles your fancy, then please click the subscribe button and the like button down below. So guys, in today's video I'm collaborating again with my beautiful friends here on YouTube, and we're all collaborating doing the National Gingerbread House Day collaboration. So in this video we are all doing looks around gingerbread, and yeah, I forgot to do an intro, so that's why I'm jumping in now. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoy this video. If you do enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure that you check out all the other ladies in this collaboration as well. I will link all their channels down below. There will also be a playlist, so if you grab yourself a nice snack and a hot drink, then you can check that out as well. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video, guys. So jumping straight in, I'm wearing the headband from the Glossybox advent calendar. I think it's super cute and I love it. So I'm going to be first using the Glossybox 3-in-1 moisturiser. When I tell you I'm absolutely loving this moisturiser, I'm in love with it. So let's go straight ahead and pop some of that on. So beautiful. It smells just like coconut and I'm a fan. And I'm going to be using this, I'm sure it's pronounced Candy Cosmetics or Candy Cosmetics. And this is the Pre-Glow Up Mist. I got this in a glossy box or rock box, and oh my god, how satisfying is that? It reminds me of the iconic London spray with it going like that. So satisfying. The only thing with this, it does leave like specks of glitter all over the face, but for this look I'm going to use it. It smells so fresh, but I don't know if you guys can tell or see, but there are like little speckles of glitter all over the skin. I'm going to be starting with my brows first, and I've been loving using the Benefit brow pencil. So this is the Precisely My brow pencil in shade number 5, and then I'm going to be setting them with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. I am obsessed with these products and I don't think I'm going to go back and use anything else. So I'm going to just quickly do the brows. And just like that, these are sisters, not twins today. So now we have a nice blank canvas. I'm going to bring you guys in. We are going to be using my very dirty and very used James Charles palette in collaboration with Morphe. And if you use code James at checkout, you'll get 10% off. So you're welcome, James. Shouting a sister out. So I absolutely love this palette, and we're going to make some magic. So come closer and we'll start on the eyes. There we go. So I've just applied some tape so we get that winged out kind of effect. The first shade I'm going to go into is called Punch Me, and I'm going to take a very fluffy brush. This is from BH Cosmetics and it's their number 5 brush, and it's just a big old fluffy brush. So I'm going into the shade Punch Me and I'm going to pop that into the crease and just place that into the crease at first, and then start blending that all across. And focusing that straight into the crease. So just blending. I don't want to go too high, I want to leave this gap so I can pop highlight there later. I'm then going to go into the shade Mary with the same brush and pop that on the outer corner, and then start bringing it into the outer crease. key here is just to keep blending. I'm now changing my brush to a Jessup's 234 Smoky Shader, and this is like a flat brush. So on one side I'm going to pick up the shade T, which is a darker brown, and I'm going to focus that all over the lid. And I'm just using one side of the flat side of the brush and completely popping that all over the lid. Then with that first brush, I'm just going to blend. I'm not putting any more product on the brush. I'm just going to blend any edges. And now, here's the hard part. We're going to do the frosting. So I'm going to use a white eyeliner for that. And I picked up these white, well, all these different coloured eyeliners. So I picked all these different coloured eyeliners up from Amazon. They are the Handy Dandy eyeliner, and I got these off Amazon. I will link them down below. And I'm just going to use the white one as like a frosting. So I'm going to do like a top liner and use that as a frosting. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this turned out well. You would have seen in the intro if it had done. So I'm about to panic. So yeah, let's just concentrate. Some glitter fixing gel, and of course we're going to be putting glitter on. Of course we are. So I'm just going to pop that on top of the white liner. I have a really thin detailed brush, and I'm going to be using the Collection Glam Crystals Face and Body Glitter. This is in Unicorn Tears, and I absolutely love this glitter so much. And I'm just going to pop that on using this little brush. This brush needs spraying. Hopefully you can see that. So I'm going to go in with a green eyeliner and just do little dots above. So I'm just going to do little dots above. And then I'm going to go in with a pink. And then I'm going to go in with the colour yellow. under eye, I'm going to mix together 518 and Rusted, and I'm going to use the Jessup's 231 Petite Crease Brush. I'm just going to mix those two colours together and really tight line them under the eye. Now is lips, so I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty lip pencil in Trendsetter. And then for the lipstick, I'm going in with, again, with Huda Beauty, and this is Wedding Day. And it's a beautiful nude.